Hello everyone, it's Roshni here from Something Creative Today, and today we'll be altering a mobile cover using flat back resin embellishments, sequins, and 10 is to 4 reasons. So, first, I stuck this Hello Kitty embellishment, and then I added tacky tape all around the borders of the cover, and then I stuck sequins on top of it. There are a variety of sequins and other embellishments available at Madras Bazaar, so you can choose what you like. And there are many flat pack embellishment as well. I had earlier also altered a cover using the kits available at Madras Bazaar to alter your mobile covers. So here, then I just removed the topping, the top layer, and then I added the sequins, and I'm gonna do the same uh, for the whole cover. I actually initially thought of adding small Coca-Cola bottles, really small bottles that I'd got in my TT kit. But after adding the sequence, I thought that the cover looked pretty as it is, so I didn't actually add anything more, and I ended up just adding the sequins and the raisins. So you can customize your cover any way that you like. So I'm just adding the sequins. So once I was done adding my sequins and I was happy the way my cover looked, I mixed the 10 is to 4 resin available at Madras Bazaar, and then I just set it aside for 2 minutes so that the small bubbles that had been created by mixing the resin would automatically pop. So once that was done, I just poured the resin on my mobile case. When I was done coating the whole cover with the resin, I set it aside to dry for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, my cover was ready, and the layer of resin helped the sequins from falling out, and it also created a protective layer so it you won't scratch your skin with the sharp edges of the sequins. And this is what it looks like. It's really shiny and really pretty. I hope you all liked the video, and thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to visit Madras Bazaar.